Yeah, good morning, friends. We're back again. So, this is Monday morning, uh, the 9th of March, and we want to get into some trades this morning. I wouldn't want this session to be so long, so maybe I'll be a little more aggressive today so that we don't trade for so long. Yeah. So, let's get straight to it. On the 1 hour, what do we see? This is the most recent low. This high has been broken. There's a general downward push. Yes, it's confirmed on the 4 hour. On the 30 minutes, there is a current upward push. There's a break here in this candle. So we have another candle here. This is the current high. So we should be trading within that margin for now. So these are 30 minutes, 15 minutes. What is happening? There's a short upward push. This is the most recent high. So we shouldn't be looking to trade further than this. So trading between this red box and this recent high, that's our safe zone. Then whatever happens up here, we expect that it will continue downward, most likely. So let's go to our 5 minutes. What's happening? There was a pullback here into this level. Where's our most recent low? This is forming the low here. Before this, we have this low here. This whole box. Well, let's make it simpler. Let's just put it at the close here. Okay. So 1 minute, what is happening? There was a little trend line here that was broken. Now this low has occurred. So on the 1 minute, there's a little push down. The 5 minutes, seems like we're forming some lows. No, so there's every likelihood this will be swept. On the 15 minutes, the short term is upward. It's upward. We are careful of this level. Be careful of this level. But the 5 minutes seems to be sweeping low. So let's check what do we have in between here and here. In 1 minute, we have this low. In 1 minute in between. Excuse me. We have this low in 1 minute. So I would suggest we wait for this low or this low to be swept, and then we attempt to buy, because the higher time frame, which is 15 minutes, is upward. 30 minutes is also upward. There's a temporary pullback in the 5 minutes, and the 1 minute, there are levels that the pullback may be interested in. So let's wait for this level or this level to be taken or swept or retested, and then we can look for buys. Yeah. So let's watch. We're in the 1 minute now, looking at the 1 minute, waiting for these levels to be retested. Either taken or retested. You see that there's a gap here without any low at all between here and here. This is what I'm talking about. This gap here. Here. You can see. There's a very wide gap here. So either we look for something to touch, either this level or this level. So we're looking out for this zone. Let's wait a little more. See what's going to happen. Okay, it looks like Our 1 minute is not able to. Okay, it's coming. Waiting for it to change here. It was not able to break this. It did here. The highest here. Let's see what happens. There was a change here. Okay, let's just wait for a retracement. Oh, it's moving. Yeah, so it was not able to come this far. That happened. You can see it. This candle shows that the upward pressure has started here. So we're looking for buys now. Let's take this one. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the balance. So I just topped it up with $4 now. I topped it up with $4. I removed the extra balance we had before, and then I topped it up with $4. So we are trading with $4 today. So this is our first trade yet. Okay. So because of our capital, we can only take 2 positions. The idea is to have enough margin for eventual possible drawdowns. Yeah, so we're looking, that one just is an insurance in case the market runs off on us. So with as a composition, we'll wait for it to come around here, and then we can take our desired buy. So we're still waiting. Our orientation is to take it buy. The reason why I took that trade, it looks like it's the best that 1 minute wants to do. That's why I took that entry. I think I should make it 2, or I just wait for it to push down. If it pushes down here, take it buy. If it sweeps this level, take it buy. Okay, there's a little reaction here. It's forming another little trend line. Yeah, sorry, that's not what I want to do. Let's show a little trend line here. Let's look on it. Didn't take any sweep. That's interesting. I expected that 1 minute to take some form of liquidity before it pushes up. And this is where the liquidity is, between here and here. Here. Or here. That's where the liquidity is. Because there are a lot of lows there. Okay. So we're still waiting. We are waiting to have a better position so we can take a second trade. We can only take 2 trades per time. Remember that the idea of this whole project is to trade with tiny capital. Obviously, this trend line has been broken now. This trend line has been broken, as you can see. This was the most recent high that one found. Has broken it, so any buy signal now, we'll take it, because the upper time frame shows a pullback. The most recent high, 15 minutes, it's right here, so we can trade beyond there. So we saw that 5 minutes pushed back, so we want to take it for 1 minute. We're waiting. If you look clearly, this has formed. The little line has formed. So there's possibility of sweeping this liquidity. There's a possibility. Who is not sure? Wow, it doesn't seem like it's coming for it, but let's just switch and see. Okay, I think we should just take any sweep we get now. Just take a second position. Okay, this is it after the Trend line has been broken. Yeah, good. This is good. So I think we should just take our second position right here. Ready? Let's enter second position. Yeah. So let's watch. We have our two positions now. So let's not take any other position so that we can survive possible drawdowns that are deep. Can't really tell how far the drawdown will go. Let's just hold and watch. You can see that's taking this liquidity here. I don't know if it will go further and take that sweep. It may take the sweep, it may not take the sweep. It may take the sweep. I mean this level and this level. It may, and it may not. So if it does, that means we're gonna have a deep retracement drawdown. If it doesn't, it means we entered right. If it does, we'll have 0.1 drawdown this, or 0.3 here, and 0.4 here. That's more like a $1 drawdown on our $4 capital. So that's why I wouldn't want us to take more positions so that we can survive any eventual drawdown. But at least we're in the market, so it doesn't run off on us. Sometimes we just keep waiting for the best setup. Keep waiting. Let's close this. We keep waiting for the best setup, and then the market runs off on us. It happens. That happens to me a lot. So that's why I decided that okay, if my bias is correct, all I need to do is make sure my bias is correct. When my bias is correct, I make sure my position is not too huge for my capital. The reason why my position is not too huge for the capital is in case of a drawdown. In case of a drawdown, so that my margin will hold. That's the idea. If your margin holds, will come out at the other side. If your margin does not hold, it means to first wipe your account before it will go in your direction. Yeah. So that's the point where you have to overcome your feeling of greed. It is greed that makes us enter positions that our capital cannot handle. So you have to be careful to not trade too heavy. Like I explained to you, this position we took 0.0505 in two positions. That's the maximum I will advise you take in this tiny capital like this. Anything below $5 is even too huge. If you want to be on the safest side, don't take more than 0.05, 0.005, like this, just one position for $5 at a time. You hold that trade until it's successful, then wait for another opportunity again. That's my advice. But because our trading is better, we are improving. We're not as clumsy as we used to be. We are improving. So that's why I could actually take two positions. I'll still advise that we don't take more than that, because we can't control the markets. We can only analyze and come up with conclusions. The market can still decide to do what it will do. Understand? We can't force it to go in our favor. So that means you need to protect your back end. Using stop loss is one way to protect your back end. But for us, using the tiny capital like this, stop loss does not make sense. It doesn't make any sense, because 90% of the time your stop loss will be hit, and then your stop loss is equal to your capital. So what's the essence? It doesn't make sense. So why not just allow the margin to give you the back end protection you need? That's the idea. Stop loss is good for some kind of accounts, but the way we are trading right now, it doesn't make any sense. Yeah. So you may be asking that, why are you not trading with stop loss? Why are you not trading with stop loss? That's unprofessional. Yeah, it's actually unprofessional. But the idea we're trying to prove here is also not professional. is also unprofessional. We're trying to prove that the big skill can make up for small capital. I think what I mean is you may not have so much fund, as in so much money with Forex, but if you have great skill, you could actually do something with small capital and then grow that small capital over time. You understand? You can grow the capital, tiny capital, over time. And that's why I'll be launching the $5 to $5,000 project very soon. When I notice my calendar is more stable, I'm going to launch that project. And for everyone who is interested, you can participate, or you just follow with the updates. I'll be putting up updates on my page, on my profile, my Facebook profile, maybe YouTube and TikTok, wherever you find me. I'll be putting up the updates so that you can see how it's going. The idea is to prove that you can actually use small capital when you have great skill. So back to our trade, you can see that 1 minute was not able to take this liquidity in terms of this level. What we were discussing earlier, it was not able to take this level, but then it took this trend line. It didn't take this level, but it took this trend line. So these were the possibility, these were the probable sweeps we were looking for. Did I take this level? Take this level? Well, we saw it could not pass. Okay, let me use the arrow to explain so you can see what I'm doing. Either it takes this level or it takes this level. But when we saw that it was struggling here, we rather aim for this trend line. Yeah, so it means it got liquidity. It took some of the liquidity. The liquidity is like fuel for it, so our market is moving though. So now let's time our exit. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Remember, we said this is the most recent high. Our 15 minutes is the most recent high. So our advice, when the market gets there, we should just look for some reaction and get out. We may not even wait to go that far. Let's just, okay, what's 1 minute doing? Is it coming back? What is it doing? Is it coming back? Let's watch. Let's be attentive. Let's watch. I'm not really sure, so let's see if we can protect our accounts. It's not allowing me. This is where our stop loss should be normally. So let's just place our stop loss. This is where it should be. You see, I'm using stop loss. Actually, I'm used to it. I use stop loss. It's just that at the entry point, you putting the stop loss so far away is uncalculatable. But when it moves, you can put it in. We can trail it. Let's trail it as far as to allow us. Okay, this one allows us. This one allows us. Let's say this one can allow us also. It does. So we have protected our tail. Okay, let's see if 10 minutes at this candle, it beats this candle. If this candle beats this candle, still hold a little more. Okay, it's going for that level. If it gets to that level, we'll be getting like $2 from this trade. So let's hold. Okay, I guess it's pushing up. Pushing up is going there. It's actually going there. So let's see what it can do. It's actually going there. So protection can be a little more comfortable. Let's just put that there. Here's the market. Comes back on us. Okay, we're getting there. So let's go to 1 minute and look for reactions. Let's look for reactions in 1 minute to know whether we should get out or not. That's a major rejection. Now on the 1 minute, this is our most recent low now. If it beats this low, it means we are done. Okay, about to touch that level. Close. Close. Okay, we are testing it now. Let's look at 5 minutes. Reaction. Is there a rejection? Let's check our 1 minute. Is there a rejection? In the rejection now, we get out, keep our part capital. I have $2 in profit already, so let's watch. We're waiting to see if, okay, it's retesting, it's not sweeping. Actually expect the markets to sweep this level. So if it does, we just stick here too. Well, let's watch carefully. Let's watch carefully. There's the 4 hour going originally. It's down, but there's a pull up in the 1 hour. There's a pull up in the 1 hour. There's a fair value gap here. Let's see. Let's maybe going for this fair value gap here. Okay. The 15 minutes has the level right below the fair value gap. Okay, let's watch what 1 minute may do. If 1 minute is tired, we will see it here. Okay, 1 minute has retraced. It has retraced here. The retracement right here. The retracement. So it means it's creating another low here. It's creating another low here. It's creating a higher low. So that means it can still push up a little more. So let's see how far we can go with this trade. So anything beyond this level, I will advise we get out. So let's watch. Okay, consolidation happening here in 1 minute. So maybe a retest of this level again. This level, we need to break it for the trade to be over. Breaks this trade, that means the trade is over. Okay, we're watching. 30 minutes. Okay, it's coming to the level gap now. Okay, it has gotten in. Okay, it's there now. It's touching the fair value gap now. That is it. It's touching the fair value gap. So, friends, I think at this juncture, we need a candle that cannot progress further. I think not to be greedy. I think we should take our profit and leave. What do you suggest, friends? You agree with me? Those are positions, and we're done. We're done. So, what do we have? We have $2.3 from $4. Okay. I don't want the video to be too long. Let's call it a day. You can see the rejection. It's rejecting, though the market will not be over. But based on my old experiences, it's good to keep some profit and wait, and then you watch. Keep some of the profits. You watch for other opportunities. Okay. That's it for tonight. 30 minutes trade. This was faster than we used to have. So till then, till next time. So watch out for the $5 to $5,000 project we'll be doing soon. I say the market is coming back. So you follow up with updates on my page. Alright, friends. See you later. Good night.